And every year, on the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others, shrieking like a lost soul. And yeah, that's the story, everybody. Hope you enjoyed only a half a second of it. That was the dumbest story I've ever heard. Oh, but it could be true. They say that he roams around the railways. I hope that really isn't true, Monty. Otherwise, I'd sue you for malpractice. Who knows? It could be true.
Guys, that story is obviously made up.
Yeah, that story's not true whatsoever!
Well, don't say I didn't warn you when the ghost comes to get you. Good luck with your train tonight, Vitor.
Ghosts? Nonsense. It's a lot of nonsense. Monty's just telling lies. There are no ghosts, and I know that for sure. Trust me, I'll prove to him that ghosts aren't real. And when I do, I'm gonna rub it in his face.
Ah! Who's there?
Oh, hey Vitor.
Oh, hello, Cod.
Are you alright? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Monty told me a story earlier about a ghost train, and I've just been worrying a lot about it.
Well, Monty's pulling your buffer. Ghosts don't exist. Anyway, I'm going to smoke a joint in my shed. Feel free to get back. Anyway, see ya.
That engine is not right. He's got a drug addiction, Runio's got a vodka addiction, and Ernest, Stevie, and Gail have drug addictions. We are not normal engines, no matter how hard they say we are. Oh, good God. It's the ghost engine! Oh, God. Please, please don't attack me, Mr. Ghost. Vitor? Oh, Stevie?
It's so late out right now. What are you doing here, Vitor? You should be at your shed by now. Oh, I'm sorry, Stevie. I was just frightened. Monty told me a story about a ghost last night, and it frightened me so much. It just seemed so real. Oh, that story? Yeah. Monty's been telling us that story for the past 2 weeks. You wouldn't know that since you don't sleep at our sheds. But it's getting on our nerves. Don't pay attention to it. He's trying to start a conspiracy or something. Actually, I think I may have an idea on how to spook him. Ha! It doesn't matter if I've been telling the same story for the past 2 weeks. It's a goddamn story. You know, I wonder if the
You fucking bastard.
Who's there?
Oh, so you don't know who I am. But I know who you are. You're the one who's been mocking my damn story this whole time.
No. I'm sorry, okay?
I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Ah! Oh god, I knew it! Stupid bitch. Anyways, I'll see you later, Vitor.
Spider, where have you been?
Oh, nowhere. I've just been teaching a certain engine for telling false stories the whole time with my friend Stevie.
Ha! You finally taught that bastard a lesson!